Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to put Freon in a GMC Yukon. Before starting, always prioritize safety. Put on your safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from refrigerants and potential splashes. Next, locate the low-pressure service port on your vehicle's air conditioning system. It's usually marked with an L and is smaller than the high-pressure port. Finally, start your engine and turn the AC to its maximum setting. Now let's connect the recharge kit. Take the quick connect fitting on the refrigerant hose and firmly attach it to the low-pressure service port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Once connected, observe the pressure gauge on the kit. This gauge will show you the current pressure in your AC system, helping you determine if it needs more refrigerant. Remember, proper pressure is key. With the kit connected, it's time to add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger in short, controlled bursts, typically for 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Between bursts, rotate the can slightly to help mix the refrigerant. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge. You want to reach the recommended pressure range, which is often indicated on the gauge itself or in your vehicle's manual. Avoid rushing this step. Once the desired pressure is reached, you're almost done. Quickly disconnect the hose from the low-pressure service port. A small hiss is normal as the connection releases. After disconnecting, visually inspect the area around the service port for any signs of leaks. Finally, turn off your engine and enjoy the cooler air from your GMC Yukon's air conditioning system. This easy method helps restore comfort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.